everyone, myself Vidyashree MS, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. First semester, subject Chemistry, topic Corrosion Science and E-Waste Management. In this video, I am going to talk about e-waste management in India. In e-waste management, we are going to discuss about introduction, sources, types, effects of e-waste on environment and human health, methods of disposal, advantages of recycling, extraction of copper and gold from e-waste. Let us see the definition of e-waste. Electronic waste. Electronic waste, popularly known as e-waste. It is defined as electronic products that have become unwanted on working and have essentially reached the end of their useful life. Sources. The sources of e-waste are electronic devices such as TVs, computer monitors, laptops and display devices, telecommunication devices such as mobiles, calculators, audio and video devices, printers, scanners, fax machines, electronic components such as sensors, alarms, sirens, security devices, kitchen equipments such as coffee makers, microwave ovens, etc. Laboratory equipment such as hot plates, microscopes, etc. Types of e-waste: computers, televisions, lighting equipments, mobile devices, household applications, medical equipments, other electronic equipments. Effects of e-waste on environment: causes air pollution, causes groundwater pollution, causes soil pollution, decreases the natural resources, causes the climate change in the environment, causes the loss of valuable metals in the environment, causes the emission of greenhouse gases. Effects of e-waste on human health: lead damages central nervous system, cadmium damages kidney, mercury damages both central nervous system and kidneys. PVC wire insulation causes carcinogenic effect. Carbon black causes carcinogenic effects. E-waste disposal methods in India: scientific landfilling, incineration, recycling and reuse, composting, biogas production. These are the 5 types of disposal method. Scientific landfilling. Landfilling is a common method for disposing of electronic waste, e-waste. The process involves digging trenches in flat areas, removing the earth from the trenches, burying the e-waste in the trenches, covering the e-waste with a thick layer of dirt. While landfilling is a frequently used method, e-waste in landfill can release pollutants into the environment over time. Incineration, a common method for commercial e-waste disposal. This involves burning the e-waste to reduce its volume. Some recycling centers use incineration to create energy. Steps: pre-treatment. It involves the sorting and preparing the e-waste for incineration. In this step, hazardous materials are removed. Combustion. It involves the burning of e-waste in an incinerator at high temperature. This step generates a heat which can be used to generate electricity or steam. Recycling. It involves the reutilization of e-waste with the help of recycling process. This method involves dismantling of the electronic devices, separations like PCBs and the recovery of the precious metal like copper, gold and lead can be done with the help of the e-waste recycler. Methods of used for recycling: hydrometallurgic process, pyrometallurgic process, direct recycling. Advantages of recycling: conversion of natural resources, energy saving, reduction of pollution, creation of jobs, space saving, reduces the air pollution, prevents the water pollution, reduces global warming, reduces the amount of waste to landfills. Reuse. This is the most desirable e-waste recycling process where with modifications the mobile phones, computers, laptops, printers can be reused by repairing them. Extraction of gold from e-waste. It involves the following steps: pre-treatment stage, chemical treatment stage, metal recovery. Pre-treatment stage. It involves the physical separation of metal components from the e-waste. The techniques used are gravity separation, electrostatic separation, and magnetic separation. Chemical treatment stage. It involves the leaching the targeted metal by treating with appropriate chemical reagents. The cyanide leaching is the most common method used to extract gold. When gold containing e-waste treated with sodium salt of 3-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid with potassium cyanide and in the presence of oxygen gives a dicyanourate gold complex. You can see this reaction where gold reacts with cyanide in the presence of oxygen and water. It gives the product as dicyanourate gold complex with hydroxide ion. Metal recovery stage. In this stage, gold metal can be recovered from the obtained gold solution using methods like electrodeposition, solvent extraction, ion exchange, precipitation, etc. Let us see the electrodeposition. In this method, pure gold metal is taken as cathode and inert anode are dipped in obtained leached complex solution. When current is applied, gold is electrodeposited on cathode. Let us see the extraction of copper from e-waste. It involves the following steps: pre-treatment stage, chemical pre-treatment stage. It involves the physical separation of metal components from the e-waste. Techniques used are gravity separation, electrostatic separation, magnetic separation, etc. Chemical treatment stage. It involves the leaching the targeted metal by treating with appropriate chemical reagents. The acid leaching is the most common method used to extract copper. H2SO4 is nothing but sulfuric acid. HNO3 is also called as nitric acid. Is used as the leaching solution for the extraction of copper. When e-waste is dissolved in sulfuric acid or nitric acid in the presence of oxidizing agent like H2O gives copper solution. Here, copper reacts with oxygen in the presence of hydrogen ion. It gives copper solution with water. Metal recovery stage. In this stage, copper metal can be recovered from the obtained copper solution using methods like electrodeposition, solvent extraction, ion exchange precipitation, etc. Electrodeposition. In this method, pure copper metal taken as cathode and inert anode are dipped in obtained leached copper solution. When current is applied, copper is electrodeposited on cathode. Thank you.